How to make money online. 5 great ideas. Number 1. Sell stuff online. One of the best money-making ideas for quick cash is selling stuff online. For example, you can sell clothes, furniture, and handbags from your own home. Or you can buy and resell higher value items like laptops, TVs, or phones. You can buy these products online through sites like AliExpress or from local garage sale and thrift stores, a great way to make money fast and earn extra cash. Try to sell your products on multiple platforms and marketplaces instead of just one. The more places your products live, the more likely people will be to find them. There are hundreds of online selling sites, all with their own niches and commission fees. A few examples include eBay, Facebook Marketplace, Garage Sale, Mercado Libre. Your own online store. Number 2. Start a dropshipping business. Consider dropshipping. Startup costs are low and it's an increasingly popular way to make money online for beginners and pros alike. Dropshipping is a business model where you don't keep the products you sell in stock. Instead, when a customer buys something from your store, a third party fulfills and ships the order for you. Dropshippers can cash in on the latest trends and sell trending products, or there are many steady product categories that offer similar opportunities to do well. Number 3. Start freelancing. An increasingly popular home business idea is offering freelance services to clients online. Freelance writing, graphic design, data entry, digital marketing. Almost every role an online business would hire for is viable as a freelance service. I've worked with writers, illustrators, and designers for years at Shopify, most of whom make their full-time living freelancing, not just doing it in their spare time. Almost all of these services are best positioned toward business clients, for reasons similar to why business software is an attractive product. Business clients are willing to spend. What most freelancers quickly learn is they have more leverage over the price they can charge when they position their work as outcomes instead of deliverables. Number 4. Print on demand. Print on demand allows sellers to customize white label products with their own designs and sell them only after a customer buys, eliminating the need to hold inventory, which is what makes it a subset of dropshipping. When a customer places an order, a print-on-demand company will add your design to the product, fulfill the order, and ship it to the customer. The most significant advantage print-on-demand offers over dropshipping is that you control the aesthetic of your products. A key differentiator for product categories where the design is the distinguisher, like t-shirts or fan merch. Number 5. Create custom products. While the options above come bundled with the convenience of not holding on to expensive inventory, they also come with some limitations, mainly that you don't have full control over the product you're selling. And when you think of most direct-to-consumer brands, this is what comes to mind. Original products that make meaningful improvements or add interesting details to well-known items. Personally, I've purchased many messenger bags, but I'd never seen anything like the one made by Vermilia Pell until it reached my doorstep. Making products by hand is popular among jewelry brands, fashion brands, and home decor brands. It gives you full control over the product development and quality of your items.